Put in the bowl. Go. Put in the bowl. No, you can't reach. Oh, all right. Here. There you go. There you go. Well, that's the only way you can reach it. There you go.
Leave him. He'll do it. Don't worry.
Hey, Super Dick. Orange one is saying a hot box has changed your mind.
This is what he does.
You missed a few.
1 week.
You missed a few.
Yeah, put it in the bowl.
It's
Put it in the bowl.
it's better if the dogs are hungry when he does it.
Well, they should be, because it's supper time or close to. Hey,
Claylee's asleep, Pat.
come on. Come on, something to eat.
Luna.
There you go.
Luna.
Put it in the bowl. Good boy. Good boy.
He doesn't like it, does he?
He tries to eat it sometimes.
That's good. Yeah, get them all in the bowl.
Yeah, here.
Get them all in the
Here,
bowl.
we'll put the little bowl over here so that you can, so that you can see. There you go.
Put it in the bowl.
Come on, you gotta put it in the bowl here. Joshua.
You're
Put it in
making
the
a
bowl.
mess.
Oh, he does this stuff too. The dogs will clean it all up. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Put it in the bowl.
3 years before you saw the captain. Now you could be with us for a very long time.
Amber says he can say remote now.
Yeah, she
Yeah,
said,
he can say a lot of stuff.
she
man.
said he did, but he said it yesterday or this morning.